Integrals miscellaneous exercise. First problem, integral 1 by x minus x cube dx. So we can find the partial fractions to this x into 1 minus x square. And further we can write this one x into 1 plus x into 1 minus x. So partial fractions are a by x plus b by 1 plus x plus c by 1 minus x, because the linear denominator contains only linear factors and it is a improper fraction. So by simplifying, 1 equals to a into 1 plus x into 1 minus x square plus b into x into 1 minus x plus c into x into 1 plus x. So by putting x equal to 0, a is 1, and by putting x equal to 1, b 0, a 0, so c into 1 plus 1 to 1 by 2. Next, by putting x equals to minus 1, b equals to minus 1 minus 2. So it is also minus 1 by 2. b into minus 1 into plus 2, minus 2. So b equals to minus 1 by 2. So therefore, integral 1 by x minus x cube dx equals to a by x. A is integral 1 by x dx plus b value minus 1 by 2 outside, integral dx by 1 plus x. Next, plus 1 by 2 into integral dx by 1 minus x. So integral 1 by x dx is log mod x minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x plus 1 by 2 into log mod 1 minus x, but x coefficient is minus 1, so I do write in the denominator. So by simplifying, and we can write the single logarithm. So 2 log x, 1 by 2 outside, 2 log x is log x square. And this is 1 plus x into 1 minus x, so 1 minus x square plus 6. So this is integral 1 by x minus x cube dx by using partial fractions. Next, the second one, integral dx by root x plus a plus root x plus b. So simple one, just by rationalizing denominator, root a plus root b is root a minus root b. So root x plus a minus root x plus b. After rationalizing a minus b, so x plus a minus x plus b, root square will cancel. So x will cancel, a minus b is constant, you can write outside. Root x plus a minus root x plus b dx. So it is equals to 1 by a minus b into root x integration is x plus a whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x plus b whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Next, the third one, integral dx by x into root ax minus x square. This is linear, 1 by linear into root quadratic. So you can take linear equals to t, 1 by t. So dx equals to minus 1 by t square dt. So substituting all this, minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t into root a into x 1 by t minus 1 by t square. So root to t square or t square will cancel, minus integral dt by root of at minus 1. So this we can write like minus of integral at minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2 dt. So it is equals to minus of at minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, and t coefficient is a, so that is extra by a plus c. So minus 2a into a by x minus 1. So a minus x by x whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Next, the fourth one, integral 1 by x square into x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4 dx. Take x power 4 common from the brackets. So x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 come outside. 1 plus 1 by x power is minus x power minus power whole power 3 by 4. So this is x power 4 will cancel. X cube into x square is x power 5. 1 by x power 5 is x power minus 5 dx by 1 plus x power minus 4. Take 1 plus x power minus 4 equals to t. Minus 4 into x power minus 5 dx equals to dt. So it is equals to minus 1 by 4 constant outside dt by t. So dt by t is log mod t plus c. So minus 1 by, this is 4, minus 1 by 4 into log mod t is 1 plus x power minus 4 plus c. You can further simplify this one by minus 1 by 4 into log mod 1 plus x power 4 by x power 4 plus c. So it is equals to minus, if you write, you can take the logarithm reverse. Log a by b is log b by a. X power 4 by 1 plus x power plus c. Or you can leave here only. Fifth one, integral 1 by x power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 3 dx. X power 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6. So x equals to t power 6 substitution. Dx equals to 6 into t power 5 dt. 6 t power 5 dt by x power 1 by 2 is t cube and this is t square. So 6 you can write outside, t power 5 dt by t square you can take common, t plus 1. So t square t cube times. So 6 into integral t cube by t plus 1 dt. It is a proper fraction, you can divide with t plus 1. Otherwise, suppose if you write plus 1 minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. 6 into integral a cube plus b cube, you can write t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 by t plus 1 by splitting minus 1 by 1 plus t dt. So t plus 1 will cancel. 6 into integral t square is t cube by 3 plus minus t square by 2 plus t minus log mod 1 plus t plus some constant c. 6 by 3 to t cube. T cube is x power 1 by 2 minus 3 into t square is x power 1 by 3 plus 6 into t. T is x power 1 by 6 minus 6 into log mod 1 plus x power 1 by 6 plus c. Otherwise, you can take 1 plus x power 6. Next one, integral 5x by x plus 1 into x square plus 9 dx, partial fraction method. So 5x by x plus 1 into x square plus 9 equals to, we have to take a by x plus 1 for linear, we will write only a. Next, for irreducible factor, bx plus c by x square plus 9. So by simplifying, 5x equals to a into x square plus 9 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Comparing like terms on both sides. X square coefficient is a plus bx into x dx square, so it is equals to 0. A equals to minus b. Next, x coefficient is bx into 1, b c into x dx equals to 5. Next, the constant term 9a plus c equals to 0. So b equals to minus, we have to solve these three equations. So a equals to minus b, c equals to 5 minus b. So 9 into minus b plus 5 minus b equal to 0. So 9b minus b, 10b equals to 5. B equals to 1 by 2. So a equals to minus 1 by 2. C equals to 5 minus 1 by 2. It is 9 by 2. So we get a, b, c values. So integral 5x by x plus 1 into x square plus 9 dx equals to a by x. So a is minus 1 by 2 into integral dx by x plus 1 plus bx 1 by 2 into integral x by x square plus 9 dx plus c. C is 9 by 2 into integral dx by x square plus 9. So minus 1 by 2 into this is log mod x plus 1 plus suppose if you multiply with 2x and divide with 2, 1 by 4 into, this is f dash of x by f of x, so log mod f of x plus 9 by 2 into, this is 1 by x square plus a square, so 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus 6. So this is minus 1 by 2 into log mod x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 into log mod x square plus 9 plus 3 by 2 into tan inverse x by 3 plus 6. Next, seventh one, integral sin x by sin x minus a dx. You can write sin x as according to the denominator, integral sin x minus a plus a by sin x minus a dx, and we expand sin a plus b. This is a, this is b. So sin x minus a cos a plus cos x minus a sin b, sin a by sin x minus a dx. So by splitting sin x minus a, we cancel cos a is constant outside 1 dx. Similarly, sin a constant outside and cos x by sin x, cot x. So 1 dx is x, so x cos a plus sin a into integration of cot x log mod sin x. So log mod sin x minus a plus c. Next, eighth one, integral e power 5 log x minus e power 3 log x by e power 3 log x So this is 4 log x. So minus e power 2 log x dx. We have one formula. Suppose if you simplify e power 5 log x, e power log, take 5 into the log x power 5 base e. And this one are same. So this is x power 5. We have the property a power log x base a is x only. So this is x power 5. Similarly, the remaining x power 5, this is x power 4, x power 3 minus x square dx. You can take x square common. So x cube minus x square by x cube minus x square dx. Integral of x square dx is x cube by 3 plus 6. Next, ninth one. Integral cos x by root 4 minus sin square x dx. Substitution method sin x equal to t, cos x dx equals to dt. So dt by root 4, 2 square minus t square. Integral 1 by root a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a. So t by 2 plus c. And the t value is sin x. So sin inverse sin x by 2 plus c. Next one, 10th one. Integral sin power 8x minus cos power 8x by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x dx. First we will simplify sin power 8x minus cos power 8x. Sin power 8x minus cos power 8x, we can write a square minus b square, a power a square, a plus b into a minus b. So sin power 4x plus cos power 4x into sin power 4x minus cos power 4x. So a square plus b square, you can write sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2ab. So minus 2 sin square x cos square x into sin power 4x minus cos power 4x. Again, you can write sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x minus cos square x. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. 1 sin square x minus cos square x is minus cos 2x. So if you replace here, so 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x will cancel. So minus cos 2x dx. So minus sin 2x by 2 plus c. Next one. Integral 1 by cos x plus a into cos x plus b dx. So if both cos or both sine, you have to write the sine difference. If one sine and if one cos, you have to take the cos difference. So in this case, both cos means you have to write the sine difference. Sine of x plus a minus of x plus b by cos x plus a cos x plus b dx. After x will cancel, sin a minus b, that is constant extra we are multiplying. So to cancel it, you have to divide with same sin a minus b. If both are cos or both are sine, you have to write the sine difference. If one sine, one cos function in the denominator, you have to write the cos difference. So 1 by sin a minus b into by sin a minus b formula by expanding sin x plus a cos x plus b minus cos x plus a sin x plus b 5 cos x plus a into cos x plus b dx. So it is equals to 1 by sine a minus b into, by splitting cos x plus b, cos x will cancel, sin x plus a by cos x plus a is tan x plus a. Similarly, this is tan x plus b. And integration of tan x is, you can write log mod secant x or minus log mod cos x. So cos x plus a minus minus plus log mod cos x plus b plus c. So you can write log a minus log b is log a by b. So log sin a minus b into log mod cos x plus b by cos x plus a plus c. Integral x cube dx by root 1 minus x power 8. X power 8 you can write x power 4 whole square, and you can take x power 4 equals to t. 4x cube dx equals to dt. So 1 by 4 into integral dt by root 1 minus t square. Sin inverse of t plus c. And the t is x power 4 plus c. Integral e power x dx by 1 plus e power x into 2 plus e power x. First you take the substitution e power x equal to t. E power x dx equals to dt. So this is dt by 1 plus t into 2 plus t, partial fraction. Here we have only two partial fractions, so you can write the direct difference. 2 plus t minus 1 plus t. If you write like this, dt will cancel 2 minus 1, so only 1 we have, so no need to adjust. So remaining 1 plus t into 2 plus t dt. So by splitting 2 plus t will cancel 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 by 2 plus t dt. Integration of 1 by x is log mod x. So log mod 1 plus t minus log mod 2 plus t plus c. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So log mod 1 plus t is e power x, 2 plus e power x plus c. First substitution method, next partial fraction. Integral dx by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. Here also you can write the difference directly, otherwise you have to apply the partial fraction. Easy one is writing the difference, x square plus 4 minus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 dx. 4 minus 1 is 3. We are multiplying with 3, so dividing also with 1 by 3. By splitting 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 4 is 2 square dx. 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integral cos cube x into e power log sin x. E power log sin x base is nothing but sin x. So cos cube x into sin x dx. So take cos x equals to t. Sin x dx equals to minus dt, because cos x derivative minus sin x. So minus t cube dt minus t power 4 by 4 plus c. minus cos for 4x by 4 plus c. Next, e power integral e power 3 log x into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1 dx. E power 3 log x is nothing but x cube, x power 4 plus 1 dx. Take x power 4 plus 1 equals to 3. So x cube dx equals to dt by 4. So 1 by 4 into integral dt by t log mod t plus c. So 1 by 4 into log mod 1 plus x power 4 plus c. Integral f dash of ax plus b into f of ax plus b whole power n. So f derivative f dash we have. So f of ax plus b equals to t. F derivative f dash of ax plus b and ax plus b derivative a dx equals to dt. Chain rule. 1 by a constant outside and this is t power n tt. T power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So 1 by n plus 1 into a into what is f t? F of ax plus b whole power n plus 1 plus c. Integral root of sine cube x into sine x plus alpha. So it is equals to integral dx by root sine cube x into sine x plus alpha is sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha. And you take one sine x common from the bracket so that it is sine for 4x. So this is cos alpha plus cos x by sine x is cot x into sine alpha. Root sine power 4 is sine square 1 by sine square is cosecant square x dx by root cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha. Take cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha equals to t. Sine alpha derivative 0, cot x derivative sine alpha constant. Cot x derivative minus cosecant square x dx equals to dt. So minus 1 by sine alpha constant dt by root t. 1 by root x integration is 2 root x. So 2 root t plus c. So minus 1 by sine alpha into minus 2 by sine alpha into root t cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha plus c. Further, you can simplify it by writing cot x equals to cos by sine minus 2 by sine alpha into root 1 by sine x. Cos x sine alpha, so it is again you can write sine x plus alpha. Otherwise, we can leave here. Next, 19th one. Integral sine inverse root x minus cos inverse root x whole by sine inverse root x plus cos inverse root x dx. We have one formula in inverse trigonometry, that is the sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So this is equals to 1 by pi by 2. And sin inverse x, cos inverse x, we have both numerator. So better you converting into 1 root x minus cos inverse root x, we can write again pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x all dx by this is pi by 2. So 2 by pi constant outside sin inverse root x plus sin inverse root x 2 sin inverse root x minus pi by 2 dx. So now we have to find integral sin inverse root x. So integral sin inverse root x dx. First we will find this integral. Directly you can take UV rule by parts sin inverse root x into integral 1 dx minus derivative of sin inverse root x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. Root x whole square is x and derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x and integral 1 dx is x dx. So x into sin inverse root x minus 1 by 2 constant outside x by root x is root x by root 1 minus x dx. Now we have to integrate root x by 1 minus root 1 minus x. Take 1 minus x equals to t square. Dx equals to minus 2t dt. For the second integral only, sin inverse root x minus 1 by 2 into root x. So x is 1 minus t square. This is root 1 minus x is t. Dx is minus 2t dt. So x sin inverse root x minus 2 will cancel, minus minus plus dt will cancel. Integral root 1 minus t square dt. X sin inverse root x in plus root 1 minus a square minus x square is x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. So x sin inverse root x, this is t by 2 and t, what is t? Root 1 minus x and 1 minus t square is x. So root of x into 1 minus x by 2. T is root 1 minus x. Root 1 minus t square is root x plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse root x plus some constant c1. So if you write this value here, 2 into 2, 4 by pi into integral sin inverse root x. So integral sin inverse root x is x sin inverse root x plus root of x minus x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse root x minus 5 by 2, 2 by pi will cancel. 1 dx is x plus c. Then further simplify this from 2x plus 1. Now you can leave here. X plus 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 into sin inverse root x. Next, 20th one, integral root 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x dx. So you can take substitution or by simplifying, by rationalizing, by multiplying with the root 1 minus root x. 1 minus root x by root 1 plus root x into 1 minus root x dx. So integral 1 minus root x by, this is root 1 plus root x into 1 minus root x is root 1 minus x dx. So by splitting 1 by root 1 minus x, we can easily integrate 1 minus x whole power minus 1 by 2 dx minus root x by root 1 minus x dx. So for second integral, you have to take the substitution 1 minus x equals to t square dx equals to minus 2t dt. So first one is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. And our x coefficient is minus 1. For this substitution, 1 minus root x, root 1 minus t square. Root 1 minus x is t. Dx is minus 2t dt. Dt will cancel. 1 by 2, 2 minus 2 into root 1 minus x. Minus minus plus root 1 minus x square is x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. So minus 2 into root 1 minus x plus t. Root 1 minus x by 2 into and root 1 minus t square is root x plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse t. T is root 1 minus x plus c. Next one, e power x into 2 plus sin 2x 1 plus cos 2x dx. 2 plus sin 2x is the 2 sin x cos x. 1 plus cos 2x is the 2 cos square x. So by splitting, the 2 will cancel. 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Cos will cancel. Sin by cos is the tan x dx. We have one formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x equals to e power x into f of x plus c. Here f of x equals to tan x and its derivative is secant square x. So the answer is e power x into tan x plus c. Integral x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So we can write the partial fractions for this one. So x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 2. This is a repeated linear factor. So a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 2. So by simplifying, x square plus x plus 1 equals to a into x plus 1 into 1 x plus 1 will cancel 1 x plus 1 into x plus 2 by taking LCM. B into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1 whole square. So put x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 1 plus 1 equals to a into 0. 3 into 0. So b into minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So b value is 1. Put x equals to minus 2. 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1. A into minus 2 plus 2 0. C also, B also minus 2 plus 2 0. C minus 2 plus 1 whole square. C. So this implies C equals to 5 minus 2 3. So here you have to substitute other than these two values. I am taking x equal to 0. So 1 equals to A into 2, B into 2, C into 1. Already we know two values, substitute it. 1 equals to 2A plus 2B, 2, 2C, C, 3. So 2A equals to minus 4, A value minus 2. So writing these values, I equals to, let it be I, integral A by x, so minus 2 by x plus 1, d by x square, 1 by x plus 1 whole square, c by x plus 2, d by x plus 2, plus c. Now plus integral dx. Now we have to integrate this one. So minus 2 into log mod x plus 1. 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus 3 log mod x plus 2 plus c. Next one, integral tan inverse root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. So here can take the proper substitution here, x equals to cos theta, dx equals to minus sin theta d theta. Now tan inverse root 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Tan inverse root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is tan square theta by 2. Square root of tan theta by tan inverse tan theta by 2. So this is nothing but theta by 2 and the dx minus sin theta d theta. So minus 1 by 2 outside and this is integration by parts. This is f is theta, this is d. So theta into integral sin theta d theta minus derivative of theta is 1. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta d theta. Minus 1 by 2 into theta into this is minus cos theta. Minus minus plus 1. Integral cos theta against sin theta plus c. So this is minus minus plus 1 by 2 into cos theta is x. Theta is cos inverse x. Minus 1 by 2 into sin theta is root 1 minus cos square theta. So root 1 minus x square plus c. So the answer is 1 by 2 into x cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into root 1 minus x square plus c. Next one, integral root x square plus 1 log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log x by x power 4 dx. Root x square plus 1 by x. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Log x square plus 1 by 2 log x is x square. dx by x cube. X into x cube, x power 4. Now you take x into the root, it will become x square. Root x square by x square is 1 plus 1 by x square. And this is also log 1 plus 1 by x square dx by x cube. So root 1 plus 1 by x square, log of 1 plus 1 by x square and dx by x cube. So 1 plus 1 by x square derivative we know 1 by x cube. So take the substitution. 1 plus 1 by x square equals to 2. minus 2 by x cube dx equals to dt. So minus 1 by 2 constant outside, root t log t dt. So root t log t dt is integration by parts. Minus 1 by 2 into log t into integration of root t e power 1 by 2 dt. Minus derivative of log t is 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 integration is t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 dt. Minus 1 by 2 into log t into t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 again t power 1 by 2 times. Again integration is t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus some constant. So it is equals to 2 by 3, 2 by 3 can take outside and the t power 3 by 2 common. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 2 by 3 common, t power 3 by 2 common. So remaining log t minus 2 by 3 plus write t value minus 1 by 3 into t is 1 plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus 1 by x square minus 2 by 3 plus